Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can basically just reset whatever boss you're going to fight inside of a dungeon. So, currently I'm going to be fighting Reptyro at the end of this particular underground like dungeon slash cave. But if I get far enough away that he de-renders and I come back, then he will actually be replaced with a whole different pal, and a whole different boss fight will ensue. So all I have to do is like get like a room or so away from him, pretty close back to the entrance of this area, and then I can walk back over there, and then when I get there it should be something different. So we're gonna see. I know I saw this working in earlier dungeons when I was like level 10, so let's see if it continues when you're level 60. Alright, so we've got these boys are still here, but who's the boss? Oh, it's one of those little flame-haired girls now. Flambelle. So, if you know what the different mobs are inside of these dungeons for a given area, you can essentially just keep going back and forth until you get a creature that you actually want to not only fight, but actually want to catch. Main goal is to just optimize like how much time you have to wait for a creature that you actually want to catch versus having to come and go 15 different times and redo the same dungeon, hoping that when you walk in the room it's the one that you want. So what do we got this time? Yeah, still Flambelle. Maybe I didn't go far enough away. Alright, so one last time with feeling. See what's inside of here. And this time, up it's Reptyro again. Alright, I mean, that's fine. I still have to catch a Reptyro, so what have I got for spheres? Ultimate spheres it is. Alright, no whammies, no whammies. Perfect. Alright, Reptyro captured. Now we can grab our loot and get out of here. So that's basically it. But just to show you that if you've got a dungeon that you know is capable of having a different type of creature in it, then don't be afraid to walk back a couple of rooms over, and then walk back to see if you get something else spawning instead. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.